I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming capability. Make sure your Android model supports 5 GHz and your router is broadcasting that band. Once done, open Settings and enable Wi-Fi so the phone scans available networks. You choose the SSID labeled for 5 GHz. Many routers append 5G or 5G to the name because 5 GHz reduces interference and increases throughput. If you don't see it, move closer to the router and refresh the list. These first checks avoid wasted steps later. You now handle the connection details. Tap the 5 GHz SSID and enter the network password accurately. Android will attempt association and IP assignment. Make sure to inspect advanced Wi-Fi options. Some phones let you select a preferred band or limit to 5 GHz, which forces the phone off crowded to 4 GHz. If a stale profile exists, forget the network and reconnect so the new band preferences apply. This avoids old configuration conflicts and ensures the phone requests a fresh IP on the 5 GHz interface. You finish by verifying the link. Open Wi-Fi details and confirm the frequency or link speed indicates 5 GHz and that an IP was assigned. Run a quick speed test to validate throughput. If performance is poor, move closer to the router or remove obstacles. If you still don't see or connect to 5 GHz, reboot phone and router, enable 802.11 AC/AX on the router. Try different 5 GHz channels, 3648 or 149/165.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.